Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing energy drink that I decided to try. It is called ZOA. So I do have two flavors here. This does come with 24. You get two 12 packs. This flavor is wild orange, and I do have the tropical punch. The best thing about this energy drink, I have to say, because I do have a hard time with energy drinks because of anxiety sometimes, it can make me a little shaky. This is actually really healthy for you. It has a full source of vitamin C in it. It is natural caffeine. It is coming from green tea and green coffee. You also get B6 and B12 in this, and there is zero sugar. The best part about this is it tastes delicious. The flavors are amazing. It does come in many different flavors. I do love these here and I enjoy it. It is something fresh. It has a nice bubbly taste and it's so great, especially for the summer. But that's just my point of view.